Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox memory dump. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So the first thing here, we need to go to browser to open Roblox website. So here we go to Google and then search for Roblox. And here open this website, www.roblox.com. Open here this one, and then once you're here, we need to click on the Windows button, this one, and then we're going to search for command, this one, command prompt, and we open this one. And then once here, I'm going to write down in the description this code so you can copy the code and paste it here on command prompt. So as you can see here, it says IPCONFIG-FLUSHDNS, and then click enter. And as you can see, successfully flushed the DNS result with caching. So that was all today's video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And also you can leave a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if this video is helpful. And thanks for watching.